have the most exciting news. Guess who has eyeshadows? Let's do a really fast eye look with 3 colors. We're gonna use Dreamer, Gentle, and Vitality. So we are gonna go in with Gentle. This is a really neutral matte, sort of taupey camel brown. You know what? I think it actually goes on a little better with the brush versus my finger. So we'll do that. And I have hooded eyes, so I'm going just above the brow bone. Then with the same brush, we're gonna go into Vitality, which is the darker brown. And we're gonna come here and we're just gonna sort of buff it in outer V, just like that. For an even more sultry look, we can put some down here. Then a pop of brightness with Dreamer on the brow bone and inner corner, and this is the finished look. To get your Piper Blue eyeshadow and foundation, just follow my page, like this post, and comment link below. Have the best day.